Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on an Apple Watch Series 8 without the pin code and without the phone. It'll erase everything and put it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, which means it'll also like unpair from everything, delete all your settings and everything like that. But if you're ready to do that, we can just go ahead and do that. So with the watch being on, we're just going to go ahead and come in and we are going to press and hold the bottom button and just continue holding it until we get this menu pops up here. And once we get this menu to pop up here, then we're going to come in, we're going to press and hold the wheel. We're going to continue to press and hold the wheel until it pops up with this little sign here where it says connect to a power source to proceed. And then you're going to have to hook it up to the charger that you got with the watch. And once you hook it up to the charger, it will automatically jump to this menu here. Erase all content and settings. This will reset the device to factory settings. Click reset. It'll take you through one more confirmation screen that'll be similar to this, where you'll hit reset again, and then it will go through its reset. It will turn off, and you can turn it on, and it will be like it came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.